Hey, hey, hey! It's the last week of September and I am very thankful that you are still choosing me to be your date every Monday. Marian Chumaani ko po for Mondays with Marian. Anyways, question mga kaibigan. Meron ba kayong mga kwentong in-laws? Well, hopefully most of them are good. Not so complicated nor messy katulad ng mga napapanood natin sa mga teleseries. And maintindihan ko naman if you do not see eye to eye with your father-in-law and mother-in-law because these are not the individuals who raised you. But of course, if titingnan nyo at hanapin nyo ng mabuti, there will always be goodness and beauty in those individuals who raised your spouse. Otherwise, hindi magiging lovable yung mga asawa nyo. Am I right? Left, right, left. Anyways, I would like to inspire all of you to have a great connection with your in-laws for the sake of the family's peace, harmony, and happiness. Kung kaya naman samahan ako dahil I had a 1-week date with my father-in-law and mother-in-law. At samahan kami sa Thankful That You Love Me as Your Own. Chocolates from New Zealand, yay! This is how sweet my parents-in-law are. I am blessed to have been married to a good man, but I am twice blessed to have been given loving, thoughtful, and generous parents-in-law. Nung umuwi sila Dad Jonic and Mom Cecil dito sa Pilipinas, yun rin ang araw na umalis si Joe ng bansa para umattend ng convention. Kaya naman naiwan sila ng 1 linggo na kami lang ni Bella ang kasama. And in most days, ako lang ang kasama nila. Pasok kami sa Pande Manila to buy some bread. Ilang dekada nang nakatira ng New Zealand sila Dad Jonic and Mom Cecil. Kaya naman namimiss nila ang mga Pinoy food katulad ng pandesal, pande coco, Spanish bread at ensaymada. Kaya kailangang pagbigyan ang cravings ng aking mga in-laws. Naiuwi na namin ang mga paboritong breads nila. At meron pang crispy pata, inasal na manok, pansit, na panay paborito naman ng birthday celebrant. Yes, birthday ni Dad Jonic. Happy to you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
We love you, Daddy!
Birthday! Sana marami kami makain!
Hooray! Okay, bye, Dad! Wave to your fans, Dad!
Hi.
Ay, buddy!
Yummy! Ayan. Daddy Jonic, masarap po ba? Lahat ng paborito mo nandyan?
Masarap.
Okay, they came from New Zealand. Umuwi sila for Daddy's birthday. Apparently, wala si Joe dito, nasa China, but then, it's okay, we are celebrating with Daddy Jonic. Okay, ayan, si Erica at si Dayan. Thanks for helping with the preparations. And Bella, the first apo. And the panganay apo with Snowy. Any wish for Lolo? What's your wish for Lolo?
Happy birthday, Lolo. I hope you continue to live a long, happy, and healthy life. I'm so glad that you and Lola are here today because I get to spend your birthday with you, and I really hope to continue to spend more time with you guys.
Pagpili lang.
Ayan, kami nagkakasiyahan, simpleng handaan. Hindi kami because Bella is busy with schoolwork. So, wala kaming choice but to celebrate Daddy's birthday here. But the most important thing is, we are celebrating the gift of life and his existence. So, that's more than enough. Ayan. And we miss the entire family in New Zealand. They're not here. But then at least, maging masaya pa din kami. Okay! Ayan. Happy birthday again, Daddy! We love you po!
Ate Erich, anong wish mo for Dad Junic?
Kuya, happy birthday, and good, enjoy your day. Thank you.
Dad, di ko alam may painuman ka.
Buti pa si Dayan.
Happy po kayo sa birthday niyo na kasama niyo po yung wife niyo. And sana po happy po tayong lahat dito. And yun lang po. Happy po ulit. Pwede mag-host si Dayan. Sabi ni Dayan. Oh, Daddy, happy Dad.
Ba?
Happy.
Alright! Mommy, any wish? Happy birthday, Daddy! Love you! Kiss, wala bang kiss dyan?
We had a chock-full day. After the simple celebration, Mom and I went out again to look for gowns. We have a wedding to attend very soon.
Hi, Daddy. Mommy, say hi po.
Ayan, nasundo na ang mahal na apong si Bella. Kaya eating time na uli. At na-miss nila ang famous batchoy ng Pilipinas.
Twinning again. Great minds think alike.
Hindi nag-usap
Mami, saan ang punta natin today?
sa beauty
Salon.
shop.
Aba,
Sa salon.
ay, magpapaganda kami para magmukha kaming bata. Bata. Kaso may pimple ako, ayan. Mukhang bata, nagdadalaga talaga kasi may pimple ako. 1, 2 pimples pala. Meron pang dito lalabas isa. Ayan. But it's okay. We can cover it up with, concealer. Alright, we'll go to the salon to have our hair colored. Ako naman, baka yung treatment na hindi ko nagawa ng isang araw. And a new haircut. What do you think? Parang gusto ko ng bagong haircut. Parang nagsawa na ako sa aking plain, straight hair. Okay, we'll see you again later. Bye!
I-shampoo mo rin kay baka
Ayan. So, si Mommy naman mag-hair color and hair spa.
Yes,
Para mas malambot yung hair niya. Okay, Mommy, are you ready for the makeover? Okay. Nagsasawa na ako sa hair ko kasi masyado siyang laging straight, laging flat and straight and boring. Anong masuggest mo?
Pwede tayong mag-layering.
Layering.
Bakit nasusupawan ka ba?
Hindi ba ako kumakusyopaw kung sa maikli ang
Hindi
buhok ko?
naman. Kung supaw ka ano yan?
Ang bad. Oh, ano sagot mo na natin?
Okay lang, ma. Parang kuma.
Basta masaya at in love. Basta may love life. Basta may love life. Okay. So, ano sa tingin mo gagawin sa hair?
Ayan, ano natin, keratin saka layering.
Ang keratin para, anong gagawin ng keratin?
Para malambot.
Makitap at malambot. Okay. I-layer natin bakit?
Para magkaroon tayo ng fit frame. Para yung sinasabi mo yung supaw, mawawala na.
Para maging siomay na lang yung face ko. Okay, sige.
Okay, go.
Tingnan natin rin, Ate Sarah. Galingan mo. Okay. Ayan. so much, Oliver and Sarah of Bench Fit Salon. O, diba? Talaga namang magkasundo kami ng aking mother-in-law sa pagpapaganda. Hello, I'm in Milk Tropics now, here in Rustans, ABC. And si Mommy sinasamahan ko dahil nagpapa-manipend siya. Ayan, so andito si Mommy. Hi, Mom! Ayan, si Roa. Hi, Roa. And si Enzo. Hi, Enzo. Thanks for taking care of Mommy. Ayan. Are you enjoying life? Okay ba? Mommy is getting ready for the wedding of Yen and Care. So, ayun. Ako tapos na kasi. Pwede pa siya.
Buongiorno, welcome to Michi. Buon appetito.
Eating time! Creamy truffle pasta, one of our favorites. And bacon caramelized onion pizza. It has thin crust, so hindi siya nakakasawa at hindi ka mabilis mabusog. Yummy! Hi, Mommy! Date with my mother-in-law.
Lola, thank you for the carbonara.
Wow, carbonara! Yeah, Bella's favorite, especially Lola's carbonara. Hi, Snowy!
He wants my pandesal.
Happy eating! Thanks, Mommy!
Welcome.
Bye, Mommy and Daddy!
Bye po! Ingat
See you again, Dad. Bye-bye po. Kiss po. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Mommy, again, kiss. Adsi, nag-hug ka na? Halika na. Ayan, kasi. Nice. Oy, Bella, kay Lolo. We love you. See you again. Hug and kiss, baby girl. Oh, they're leaving na. They're going to Iloilo. Ay, magdadala si Mami ng mangga. They'll be back in a few weeks again. Right, Mami? Bye po. Love you.
After Fiesta.
After Fiesta. Bye-bye. The day you marry your spouse, you did not only tie the knot with your lifetime partner, you're also bound to a lifetime relationship and commitment with his or her family. Lagi niyong tandaan na kung kayo ay nahihirapang mag-adjust sa in-laws ninyo, sila rin naman sa iyo. Just like in any other relationship, you must give yourselves a chance to get to know each other, embrace the differences, establish respect and acceptance. Be patient. It may take several months or years of interactions before you feel that aha moment. But of course, it will be worth it. Wait until you find comfort, peace, and relief when you know that somehow you have managed to click on a personal level and not just because it's the dutiful thing to do. Also, never hesitate to show concern and willingness to help your in-laws. That is the true essence of being a family. When you are willing to make the effort to see them through their difficulties, you will cross over from being an outsider to becoming a core and important family member. Lastly, love them like how you loved your biological parents, and they will definitely love you back as their own.